Hello, I am Giorgia Rossi and I work for Gexcel. I am the International Sales Manager of Gexcel. Gexcel began 12 years ago by focusing on software applications to manage 3D point clouds and creating powerful tools for scans automatic alignment, meshing and texture mapping that are merged into the well-known Reconstructor software. In this INTERGEO, we are focused on our success like Reconstructor engine that is now adapted from important Lidar manufacturers, but also on our vertical solution as a strong combination of hardware and software. We started with the open pit mine monitoring solution, OPMMS, for continuous change detection with long-range Lidar in dangerous area, and we are launching a complete new version. Last but not least, Gexcel Heron backpack for indoor mapping, positioning and real-time change detection is the last SLAM-based solution that combining Lidar and 360 degrees imagery is appreciated in the several applications fields like construction, BIM, underground, mining, safety and security, facility management. Stay connected and keep you updated on our news by following our social network, Gexcel Srl, or website www.gexcel.it.